Hi, good afternoon. So this is our second year of donating our hair to the Hair for Growth. So as you can see, haba na ng aking hair. Intentionally, pinapahaba ko talaga siya. Nagpapagupit ako every year para I will have enough length para ma-donate natin siya. Because the requirement is at least 12 inches ang length para maibigay siya sa mga cancer patients. So, I'm just lucky na sobrang kapal ng buhok ko. So, hopefully maraming mga cancer patients yung makikinabang yan. So, this is my second year of donating. And I hope that others also will be, other people also will be inspired to do the same. So, let's go! Ito yung tinanggal sa akin na hair today. So, 12 inches long. Ready for donation na siya sa hair for foundation. So, pwede sa amin niya tomorrow para napakinabangan na siya ng cancer patients natin for the foundation. Okay?